I want to embroider an apron for a friend of ours, and I needed a template with crosshairs on it to show me center so I can align the design properly on the apron. I wanted to share with you how you can install a free embroidery program called Embrilliance Express. Well, hi, I'm Becky from Power Tools with Thread, and I like to use technology to help you get the most out of your quilting and machine embroidery projects. Having a printable template to align your embroidery design exactly where you want it on your project is crucial. So let me show you how to do that. When you get to this page, this is where you download the software. The link to download the software is right next to the operating system. So the first one is the Mac OS X, and then the next one is the Embrilliance platform for Windows. And this is a zip file. If you want a manual for it, there's the link to get the PDF manual, and then they have some online help. And you will get the Express version of Embrilliance. So I'm going to download the Windows version, and it's going to download in a zip file. Zip files are a compressed file type that allow very large files to come in a very compact way. And if you want to think about it, they're like a space bag where you would put a coat into a space bag, put your vacuum cleaner on it, and it would suck all the air out, and now the coat is very compressed in that plastic. Well, you can't wear the coat in the plastic. You have to open it up and let the air back in so that you can wear the coat. A zip file is exactly like that. The files in that file have been compressed, and now you need to unzip the package and let all the air back in and let all the files come back to their regular shape. That's the easiest way to explain a zip file. It has come here into my downloads, and rather than click on open file, you don't ever want to do that with zip files. I want to click on this folder right here that says show in folder. Here it is right here, and your screen may look different than mine. Up here in the view, I've got mine set to extra large icons. I can move them down to large icons or anything like that. And all you have to do is click on it, and there is a button right up here in Windows 11 that says extract all, or you might want to right click on it and click extract all. When you extract, it's going to say it wants to put them into a folder. They need somewhere to go, and it's asking you where you want them to go. Since this is just a setup file, you can leave it right in the downloads folder. You don't need to do anything with it. I'm just going to click extract. And right here, we've got the Embrilliance setup. If you want to go back afterwards and delete it, you can, but it doesn't take up a whole lot of space. So just double click Embrilliance setup. And it's going to say, do you want to allow the app to make changes to your device? And you want to click yes. You have to accept the agreement and click next. Do you want it to create a desktop shortcut? Make sure the box is checked so you always have it, and click next and click install. It'll begin extracting the files, and in just a second it is installed, and it already says launch Embrilliance. That is checked. Just click finish. When it says serial number entry and it's got this down here, just click continue. The program will run in express mode. It will save licensed designs and fonts, but many features will not be available. So just click continue. All I need to do now is go into my embroidery folder. I'm going to highlight the design that I want and just drop it right onto the screen, and now I can print. I'm going to go to File, Print, and I really only want the first page. The second page will give me all of the color stops. You can certainly do that if you want, but I only want the first one, so I'm just going to hit 1, pages from 1 to 1, save in paper, and tell it OK. And now it will print my page. So I can use that as a template to make sure I get the design lined up properly. I hope this was helpful. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. Click right here to watch more easy tutorials on Embrilliance.